This noise ever happen to you? I'm gonna show you how to fix it. Alright, so that's your problem. This guy right here. See this? This part with these 8mm bolts. That's why the wheel's clicking. It's a pretty easy fix. Let me show you how to get access to it. So the next step here is we're gonna take this 10mm axle nut out of here. Once we get that out, we're gonna break this loose. Next step, axle nut. Now we're gonna break loose this ball joint. Get ready. Now we have access to these bolts. Boom.